Hi there, students. A chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Okay, this is a proverb or an axiom. It means that an organization or a team or something is vulnerable at its weakest point. So if you've got some parts that are really, really strong, that's okay. But if there's one part that's very weak, that's where something is going to give, where it's going to give way. If one part of something is weak, it endangers the effectiveness of the whole. It jeopardizes the integrity of the whole. So, yeah, the security system is very good, but that's the problem with a security system. A chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Yeah, if there's one easy way to get in, then that's how the security will be broken. There are checkpoints everywhere, but if one of the checkpoints isn't working, then the whole system can be vulnerable. Yeah, let's see. A link is one of these pieces in a chain. It's one of the individual units, and very often a chain of command or a chain of events. Yeah, linked together. So with a chain, if you pull it and one of those breaks, then that's the whole thing broken. Yeah, so it's only as strong as the weakest link. The weakest link, the part of something that is going to break. So an organization is only as strong or as powerful as its weakest person. A group is only as strong as its laziest member. Yeah, so from this we get this phrase, the weakest link, the part of a system that's most likely to fail, yeah, or to cause problems. It's its weak point, its Achilles heel. Yeah, so that's the weakest link. Apparently this first appeared in an essay by Thomas Reid, The Intellectual Powers of Man, from 1786. Okay, so the weakest link. A chain will break at its weakest link. Notice, a chain is no stronger than its weakest link is also an easy alternative for this. Formality, I think I'm going to give this a 5. I think you can use this just about anywhere, so that bit's easy. Okay, so remember, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A chain is only as strong as its weakest link.